In front of me is CUBOT Note 7, and let me show you secret codes that you can use on this device. So first of all, you need to open your phone dialer, and now go to keypad. Let's start with the first code now, which is *##, *225, ###. And here you've got the calendar info. So if you would like to reach all info regarding your upcoming events, smoothly enter this code and then you will be provided with all details regarding all your calendars. So it's for Gmail, iPhone and so on. Smoothly enter this short code and then you don't have to be worried about upcoming events and remembering about them. Another code that you can use here is *##, 4636, ###. And here we've got testing mode performed by Google, where you can reach phone information, user statistics and also Wi-Fi details. Under phone info, you will find email number, network, phone number, current network, signal strength, voice service, data network type, voice network type as well, roaming, voice call status and so on. Just scroll down and read all necessary info. Also, this panel allows you to run a ping test. Just click here and below you've got the answer. So let me go back. Then if you will open user statistics, you will be able to check all info regarding your apps. So you've got usage time, last time used and also the name of the app itself. And then under Wi-Fi information, you can check APA, configuration and also status. Status panel, if you will click on it, will also allow you to run a ping test. So here you can refresh status to check the current status of your network, and a bit lower under scan results you can smoothly tap on run ping test and below you've got the solution. So let me go back. Another code that you can use in your CUBOT Note 7 is FCM diagnostic panel, and the code to enter it is *##, 426, ###. And here we've got diagnostic mode where you can read events and also status. And if you will tap on more icon and select advanced view, you will be able to see the further details. So let me go back, and the last code that I would like to share with you today, also the shortest one, is *##, 06. And as you can see, this one will provide you with unique numbers assigned to your CUBOT Note 7. So here you've got both email numbers and also serial number assigned to your device, to your phone. So just click on OK to go back, and that would be all. These are all codes that you can use on this device that I wanted to share with you today. Use your phone dialer, enter the codes and be aware of all the data regarding your phone. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.